Díagwit agus fáilte go dtí an ceacht gaeilge. So ceacht seo baidmid ag féchant Cárta Poist ón Teapán. We will be looking at a postcard, looking at a sample, ag léibh an sample, ag scríomh stórfocal, okay, and then we'll be looking at how you might write your own one of these, okay? And before we do that, we'll have a look at this here. Okay, task iver a hain, éist. So, on Teapán, Cowell on Teapán, tá picture and shin. There's on Teapán, Japan. Okay, so shut sampla. So a Joseph a Chara, dear Joseph, Kunas a tatu, how are you? Tosulum gul tu ma. I hope you are well. Time sira lima hailok sa Teapán. I am on holidays with my family in Japan. Time ag bant an tanaf asantira. I am really enjoying the holiday. Time ag fanacht in Ostan Jas in Tokyo. We are staying in a nice hotel in Tokyo. Tá an aimsir go híntaach. The weather is excellent. Tá an chathair go hálainn. The city is beautiful. Tá áisina agus siopaí de gach sort an seo. There are lots of different types of facilities, áisina, and shops, siopaí. Téimid ag siopadóireacht fuinneoige gach lá. We go window shopping every day. Huamer go park Ino Kashira inye. We went to Inokashira Park yesterday. Tá zoo agus Ishkadan Olvar ann. There is a zoo and a big pond there. Rockamid go cluiche rugby idir éire agus an nua-héileán amórach. We will go to a rugby game between Ireland and New Zealand tomorrow. Táimid ag tnú go mór leis. We are really looking forward to it. Bye mé ash de luúin se hugan. I will be back next week. Búli mé a níos hugad. I will call down to you. Slán, Barbara. Okay, go híntaach. So task a hain is done. Just to listen to it and to hear the pronunciation on fáíocht agus cad sprí leis na focal. If you are concentrating and watching, you will have picked up some new words there. So what you will do is fé sias an seo, and there you have your stórfocal. So scríomh é sin isteach I de chópléir. And tá 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 6 there. Why don't you just try and get another 2 or 3 that popped out at you from there when you were listening to it? Okay? Go híntaach. When you have finished that, nuair tá tú críochnathe, okay? Okay, now have a look over here. Tá ceistena. Okay, so, cá bhfuil Barbara Sira? Where is Barbara on holidays? Okay, so, tá she Sira sa Teapán. Okay, she is on holidays in Japan. Okay, cá bhfuil siad ag fanacht? Where are they staying? Cad a dhéanann siad gach lá? What do they do every day? Cad a rinne siad inné? What did they do yesterday? Cad a dhéanhí siad amórach? What will they do tomorrow? Cahan a bhaidh si arás? When will she be back? Okay, so Fragar na ceistena, answer the questions in your copy. Okay, when you have done that, guys, you can start your oberwallet, which is the an buska seo. Okay, so you now are going to write your own Cárta Poist. You're going to write your own postcard. So, the instructions. Tá tú sira haar lear I gahar war. You are abroad or overseas in a big city. So that could be Nua Aurich, that could be London, it could be anywhere in the world. Okay, make sure you get the Gaeilge first. You can look it up. Scríobh Cárta Poist chuig cara leat. Send a postcard to a friend. Bon úsáid as an stór focal híos. Use the below vocabulary. Cur an ober creeknahe I the fun. Okay, so this finished piece of work will go into your language portfolio, your punanchanga. Right? So use the same structure. Your banu, which is your hello, diagait kunastatu. So a horshe, a hirsche, a chara. Okay, so replace the name there. You could say a John, a cara, a Mary, a cara. Okay? Followed by Tosulagum gwil tu gama, or Tosulagum gwil tu mornis launche. Ta igari gama lum. Okay, so pick a couple of these. Don't choose all of them. So one of the first three there, and then one of the four below. Okay, say where you are, what you're doing, how you're getting on. Then the main bit of it. What do you do? Where do you go? So there's lots of different things you can talk about. You can talk about the Aimshire, the weather, na háisina, facilities, Shuppi, shops, Ostan, the hotel, Dini, the people, Bia, the food, Caníbhíochtaí, activities. So you could say Táim ag siúl, I go walking, Táim ag snáb, ag siopadacht, gach maidin. And then the very end is your creek. What are you going to say there? By Mayrash, I will be back. When will you be back? Okay, when will you be back? Look below, Deiluan Shahugging. So I will be back next Monday. By Mayrash, Deiluan Shahugging. Okay, so you can adapt and tweak that as you wish. Okay? Gohíntaach. Eros. Mahu. Slán go fóill.